A passed hydrostatic test is not a certificate of immortality. It is merely a snapshot of mechanical resistance at a specific moment. In the field, false compliance can hide silent killers that only manifest once the equipment is back in service. The real objective of the test is twofold. First, to verify the overall mechanical resistance of the assembly. And second, to detect major defects or leaks that could lead to catastrophic failure during the next operating cycle. Common mistakes start with the tools. Using non-calibrated instrumentation is like flying blind. Your data is meaningless. Trapped air pockets are a hidden hazard. Compressed air stores massive energy, turning a simple leak into a potential blast. Excessively rapid pressurization prevents the material from stabilizing and can mask micro-leaks through thermal fluctuations. If you aren't performing a meticulous visual inspection of every weld during the hold period, the test is fundamentally incomplete. Poor accessory preparation, like using incorrect temporary gaskets, creates false leak points that distract from real integrity issues. For LPG and LNG vessels, we must account for weld stress sensitivity. The containment requirements here are absolute. In steam service, equipment often hides pre-existing internal corrosion. A hydro test alone may not reveal thinning walls. Hydrogen service is prone to undetected crack initiation. Microcracks that hydrogen will exploit are often missed by standard tests. Oxygen service demands absolute internal cleanliness. Even trace oils in test water can lead to fire or explosion upon restart. The consequences of a poorly interpreted test include the false validation of weakened equipment and risky restarts. Beyond the site, you face audit non-compliance and severe technical liability exposure if an incident occurs. Success starts with a formal written procedure. Every phase must be defined, reviewed, and approved before pumping. Visual inspection during the pressure hold is non-negotiable. It is the only moment to confirm true structural health. A detailed, traceable report with calibrated data is your only proof of a professional and compliant inspection. Best practices require a prior criticality assessment. Integrate the operating history to tailor the test parameters. In our context, leveraging international standards as a framework ensures we meet global safety and reliability benchmarks. A passed test must be technically interpreted, not just approved. Your judgment as an engineer is the final safeguard. Remember the essentials. Use calibrated tools, eliminate all air pockets, and perform a total visual inspection. Document every step and interpret the data with caution. Safety and performance are one. Stay safe.